Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is fine, so if you want to do Happy Chocolate Day AI photo editing with your names, then you need to follow our steps. It is very easy to create this amazing photo in a very short time and steps. In this vlog, I will give you prompts to create such photos, and you can easily generate an image from them. Below I have instructions on how to edit the images. Please follow it properly, your photo will be ready. So let's begin now.
Open your browser. Search Bing Image Creator. Here you can type prompt. Click on Create button. Click on Image to preview. Let's try another sample. Click on Create button. Click on Image to preview. If you want more videos like this, let me know, comment below. Thanks for watching.